What's in the box? Well, after a while of debating and talking to different people, I finally got what I was looking for. And you can probably tell from the title, I did get a Luxe 2.0. But I didn't buy it. See, I won Houston Heat's Facebook page. Yeah, I know, just my luck. I've never really won anything in my life, and I won this. So, I'm going to unbox it today. Let's put you on the tripod, and we'll see what else is in the box. Alright. Let's do this. I'm pretty excited because, like I said, I've never won anything in my life. I got my trusty diver's knife. Let's open it up. Whatever, screw it. I actually want to get this though. Alright, almost got it. Alright. It's just a slip. Alright, back to the real thing. Let's get the whole... Alright, that. Then, open sesame. Alright, so we got packing bubbles. I love these things. Good for pranks, I've already said that. Right at somebody's face. Luxe. Jesus. It's already in saran wrap too. But that's coming off. Yes, I'm pretty excited. I've never had I've had a Luxe, but it was a Luxe 1.0 and it was used and all in that sense. Alright, so just pretty much tells me serial number, black accents, and Coke red, which is what I asked for. Alright, so you got your CD manual, you got your warranty card. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but holy shit, look at this fucking gun, dude. That's beautiful. So from what you can tell, I got like a Coke red with a black accents, but this is dust. So, okay, of course you get the gun. A little toolbox. Don't believe me? Look, tools. I'll put that to the side. God, man, that thing's beautiful. You got your freak back, or DLX back, or whatever you want to call it. And you got your top. Okay. Damn. Put that together. That's just beautiful. Woo! That's hot. Anyway. What else we got? Come on in here. Alright, we got it's like a rail. So if you don't like your ASA this close, you can put it forward. That's cool. An extra battery. This is Dow 33, I think. Yep, Dow 33. A Luxe barrel cover and a 6, 8, and 9 barrel insert. Let me check what this one is. I haven't even checked it. 693. Okay, so 693 and 689. Of course, you have your USB cable for doing your board and whatnot. You have your charger, and I do believe that's it. Yeah, so that would be it. What the hell is this? I don't know. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. Of course, I want a Luxe, and I'm really excited about it. I've been waiting since April, and if you do win the Houston Heat thing, make sure you're on top of things. Make sure you're contacting them, seeing what the progress is, see, you know, what you can do, whatnot.
Powering on. Welcome to the Luxe experience. Battery level 75%. Firing mode semi-automatic.
Sweet. Well, like I said, keep on top of things. They're gonna be they're busy, so you have to understand that it's gonna take a little bit. Now, if they do it in the off season, make sure you're on top of things because they're not as busy, and you want your gun, right? Well, there you go. That's essentially what I got. I'm very excited that I got this. I'm so pumped. I can't wait to go out and shoot this thing. It's going to be a blast. Yeah. So, thanks guys for watching. I got a Luxe. I'm excited. Thank you.